we will study about the mechanism of dark reaction. So second step of photosynthesis is known as dark reaction. Dark reaction. Dark reaction, children, dark reaction is not so typical like as light reaction. Listen my words carefully. Dark reaction is a simpler process. And what happen in dark reaction? That in photosynthesis reaction, you all know that carbon dioxide react with water, form glucose molecule, release oxygen gas and release some amount of water. Understood all of you? So this phase, in my previous video I told that this phase is known as completes into light reaction, and breaking of carbon dioxide completes into stroma, and by breaking of carbon dioxide, that is known as dark reaction. So how carbon dioxide break? In light reaction, last step is known as conversion of energy, means light energy convert into chemical energy. So here chemical energy is stored in the form of NADPH. Full form you have to write in your copy. Okay, in my previous video I told you what is the full form. Again I am repeating: nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate molecule. When react with hydrogen, they form nicotinamide hydronium ion also. So energy convert into light energy convert into chemical energy in the form of NADPH. So this NADPH is used in the fixation of carbon dioxide. Understood all of you? So here NADPH fix carbon molecule one by one. Carbon molecule fixed by NADPH, and some amount of enzymes are present. Listen it carefully. Some enzymes that you will study in your class 11. The name of enzyme are, if you want you can write in your copy. The name of enzymes are PS2. Understood all of you? Or you can say PS2. These are the enzymes which are present in stroma and help in the process of dark reaction. And in dark reaction, fixation of carbon molecules takes place. And this is here hydrogen attached with NADPH. So this is known as reduction process also, because here hydrogen is attached. So by the attachment of hydrogen ion, NADP convert into NADPH, and this NADPH helps into the fixation of carbon molecules, and by the fixation of carbon molecules, carbon convert into C6H12O6. And for whole process, electron, or you can say photons, or you can say energy molecules are present. So in presence of energy molecules, presence of electron molecules, the fixation of carbon takes place, and by the fixation of carbon, formation of glucose takes place. So this step is known as dark reaction. In dark reaction, fixation of carbon takes place, reduction of hydrogen takes place. So by the reduction of hydrogen and by the fixation of carbon, carbon dioxide form glucose molecule, and this glucose is stored in the form of starch in the leaves and distributed to each part of the plant in the form of food. Understood all of you? So here what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means formation of food. Understood all of you? By the use of raw materials. And what are the raw materials? Raw materials are carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. So by the use of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight, plants make their food in the form of glucose. That process is known as photosynthesis process. So I hope that now this way you all have understood about the mechanism of photosynthesis. Again I am repeating, in mechanism of photosynthesis, two steps are there. One is light reaction, second is dark reaction. In light reaction, three steps are there: activation of energy, photolysis of water, conversion of energy. After that dark reaction takes place, and in dark reaction, fixation of carbon molecules convert into glucose molecule. So this way photosynthesis process completes, and again I am saying you all have to make your notes and you have to draw diagram which are given in your copy. And I told that you have to write 3 questions in my first audio I told to write the answers of few questions, and I hope that you all have written the answers of these questions. So this way we have completed the mechanism of photosynthesis, what is the process of photosynthesis, where photosynthesis takes place, and what are the photosynthetic organ. So all about we have completed. If you have any confusion or any doubt, you can ask in your WhatsApp group. Okay, understood all of you? So if you have any question or any query, you can ask.